The Panipat Standard Mini, as its name states, is a standard type deli-style harmonium, meaning that it does not collapse for carrying but instead is one solid box. Remove the lid by lifting the front and then sliding it forward. Open both stops, the two knobs on the left, release the bellows, press down a couple of keys, and you're ready to play. Always have at least one stop open and some keys pressed down if you're pumping the bellows to avoid damaging the instrument. Each key controls two reeds, a low or bass reed and a higher or male reed. Open the leftmost stop to hear the male reeds. Open the second stop to hear the bass reeds. The next two knobs are drone reeds. You must have the bass stop open for these reeds to sound, but you can also use them with both the bass and the male stops open. To close the Panipat Standard Mini back up for transport or storage, keep a few keys depressed and stops open while closing the bellows. Once the sound dies away, close the stops and put the lid back on. It's good to keep the lid on between uses to avoid debris getting into the keyboard, which can cause the reeds or keys not to function properly. Thanks for watching. Follow us or subscribe for more videos.